Document360 is a knowledge-based platform built for documentation and customer support, while Notion AI is a productivity tool focused on writing, notes, and AI-assisted workflows. Document360 is a premier AI-powered knowledge-based platform for managing internal wikis and public product documentation. It features an advanced AI assistant for automated tagging and instant search answers, alongside intuitive editing and version control. It is a highly efficient tool for streamlining content workflows. Document360 offers a 14 days free trial, with annual plans at 149 font mont for startup, 299 font for business, and 399 font mont for enterprise. For custom needs, the Enterprise Plus tier offers tailored custom pricing to fit your business. Reddit users say Document360 provides smart editing, version control, and flexible organization, making knowledge bases easy to manage. Users also appreciate the free trial. Overall, it's best for organized and writer-friendly knowledge management. Notion AI is a deeply integrated workspace assistant that pulls context directly from your existing notes, docs, and databases. It functions as a centralized brain, instantly answering questions, drafting content, and automatically filling database tags. While standalone chatbots offer stronger creative writing, Notion AI's unmatched ability to understand your personal data library makes it an essential add-on if you already use Notion. This workspace tool offers 4 distinct tiers: a completely free plan, a plus plan at $10 yearly or $12 monthly, and a recommended business tier at $20 yearly or $24 monthly per member. For large-scale organizations needing advanced security and control, they offer a top-tier enterprise plan with custom pricing. Reddit users say Notion is good as a simple journal on the free plan, with a clean interface. However, AI is paid and it lacks password protection for private notes. Overall, it's best for simple note-taking, but needs better privacy features. Overall, Document360 is better for professional documentation and help centers, while Notion AI wins for flexible productivity and everyday collaboration. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical reviews.